how to turn on fixed dialing numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the More button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in Code Settings, we go down and then tap on Supplementary Services. Now wait for a few seconds for the phone settings to load up. Next, we tap on Fixed Dialing Numbers. And at the top here, tap on Turn on Fixed Dialing Number, FDN. And here say enter the pin 2. We need to put in the correct pin. If you don't put in the correct pin, then it will not work. Okay, so here we have switch it off. So turn off FDN. If you want to switch it on, then just simply tap on it, put in the pin, and then tap on OK. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on, switch off fixed dialing number on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now you can also go down and tap on FDN list to manage phone number list. So what is fixed dialing numbers? It is a feature on Samsung phones and many other GSM phones that allows you to restrict outgoing calls to only specific phone numbers or prefixes. And that's it. Thank you for watching.